In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Cursor AI Composer to generate and review code changes. Start by opening the Cursor AI editor on your computer. Once it loads, make sure you're on the home page so you can quickly access all the key tools. From here, open the Composer with a fast shortcut. Press Ctrl+I on your keyboard. You should see the Composer panel appear, ready to take your instructions. Before you type anything, look at the bottom of the Composer's text box for the Auto drop-down. Click it, turn off Auto mode, and then choose the Composer that best fits your task. Turning off Auto gives you control over the behavior and depth of the suggestions you'll receive. For quick, lightweight edits, a faster option can be handy. For complex refactors or multi-file changes, pick the Composer known for thorough reasoning. Once you've made your selection, click back into the text box so your cursor is ready to type. Now it's time to write your request. Be clear and specific about what you want. Describe the goal, the language or framework, and any constraints that matter. If your change touches multiple files, name them and explain how they relate. Providing a short snippet or a function name can help the Composer pinpoint the exact location. It can also help to mention acceptance criteria, like expected inputs, outputs, edge cases, or performance considerations. The more context you give here, the more accurate the proposed changes will be. When your request looks good, press Enter to generate the code changes. The Composer will analyze your instructions and propose edits, often with explanations so you understand the reasoning. Give it a moment to finish, especially for larger requests. Before applying anything, carefully review the suggested changes. Read through each modification and skim the explanations to confirm the intent matches your request. Check function signatures, imports, and types. Look for off-by-one errors, null handling, and any changes that could affect dependencies or external calls. If the Composer touched multiple files, verify the interfaces line up across those files. Pay attention to naming, comments, and formatting for long-term maintainability. If something doesn't align with your standards or project conventions, refine your request in the same Composer panel and generate again. Iterating here is normal and often results in a cleaner final change set. And that's it. You opened the editor, launched Composer, chose the right mode, wrote a clear request, generated the changes, and reviewed them thoroughly before moving forward. With a bit of practice, this workflow becomes fast, reliable, and easy to repeat.